Peekaboo! I see you. What's up, guys? So, like I said, I'm having Hot Pockets. I'm having the hot one, the spicy garlic, chicken bacon. You know, my favorite store, unfortunately, Walmart. It's not even Walmart, it's the people at Walmart. I can't stand it, I'm sorry. But anyways, guys, I cooked myself some Hot Pockets. Buy the hot ones. What am I having again? Oh yeah, spicy garlic chicken bacon. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get rid of this box. And let's see how they are. Hopefully I didn't burn them. I don't look like I burned them, you know. So here we go. Hot ones. Hot Pockets. I think I gotta take a bigger bite, but I'm scared to burn my tongue. Okay. Okay. I could taste the garlic in there. Mmm. Okay. Right off the bat, amazing. Mmm. Oh my god. Yes. Thumbs up. They're not hot. Really good. Excuse me. I would definitely get these again. Wow. So happy I didn't burn these. Sorry for smacking my lips. Mm. Wonderful. Freaking wonderful. I mean, I really don't taste the bacon much, I don't know. But, you know. I do it, but I don't. That bacon right there, I don't know. But out of this world good. I would definitely get these again. Like I said. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Definitely recommend them. So you guys, if you're at Walmart, you know, if you're at Walmart, you come across them Hot Pockets, I definitely recommend you get them. Really good. I mean, they're spicy if you can't take spice, but it's alright. It's alright. But it's really tasty, really filling. So yeah. Oh, excuse me again. Pardon me. But guys, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on another upload by yours truly. Your mother's favorite food review, your father's and your grandparents' and audience's favorite food reviewer, Mr. Melly Oliver. I mean, what? Mr. Melly Locker. 93 eat, point free. But guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys again. Alright, bye guys.